Hey everyone, hope you're all doing well. Today, we're going to boost your CPU's performance and processor speed with just two simple steps. By the end, you'll notice a significant improvement in how your computer runs. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Edit Power Plan. In the search bar at the bottom left of your screen, type Power and select Edit Power Plan from the options that appear. Once the window opens, click on Change Advanced Power Settings. In the new window that appears, look for Balanced or similar options, and switch to High Performance or Ultra High Performance if available. Scroll down to find Processor Power Management. Expand it, and you'll see Minimum Processor State and Maximum Processor State. You will see two values when using a laptop. Set Minimum Processor State to 0%. Set Maximum Processor State to 100%. Click Apply, then OK to save the changes. Bonus tip: improve startup performance. Right-click on the taskbar and open Task Manager. Go to the Startup tab and disable any unnecessary applications. Restart your computer to apply the changes, and you should notice a boost in your computer's performance. Let me know in the comments how it worked out for you. And if you haven't already, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Your support means a lot. Have a fantastic day.